2020 was such a hot mess, I ended up with a lot of airplane credit. Like many of you, I couldn't go to the 20th anniversary of geocaching in Seattle, which made me end up with an Alaskan airline travel credit. Alaska Airlines only flies direct to Seattle, to Alaska, and to Portland from Minneapolis. I thought to myself, where should I go? To a place that I love, and that is the Oregon coast. And when I noticed that there were some new geotours on the Oregon coast, I was like, you know what? It's time. It's time to go back to Oregon and the Oregon coast. So we're doing GT 499, which is the Central Oregon Coast Geotour. It looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day. Let's go find some caches. So this first cache of this tour starts off in a little fishing area, very, very Oregon, and I'm very, very close to the cache. I know that container anywhere. 1 down, 19 to go. This one has a boat here, and get this geocache is called Miss the Dock. Yep, I'm guessing they missed the dock. I'll be honest, I overthought this one a little bit, but sometimes it's just in the most obvious place. Found it! My first unboxing of the morning. We got the Cache the Coast sticker on there, a Jack Daniels bottle cap, some dice, a little cute Timon. Not much here. Second cache, 18 more to go. I can feel that geocoin getting closer, and I can feel that souvenir plopping into my profile. Next. You know, with a lot of geotours, and I've done a lot of them are just driving, getting out, finding the cache, and then moving on, but not in Oregon. Oregon, such beautiful nature. This next one, I have a half-mile walk through this beautiful, beautiful paved trail, and I'm excited. And there's a regular size on the end of it. Who doesn't love a regular size? Well, the long hike provided me with a beautiful view, and now hopefully it'll provide me a geocache find. Let's go look for it. This is a bit of a long hike, but I tell you, as I'm hiking through here, Oregon has got to be the greenest state in the United States. In the comments, tell me if you think there's a state that's greener than Oregon. It's so green. This location is the most stunning location I've been to so far. This pathway along the coast is just absolutely stunning. Stunning. I tell you, the places geocaching brings you. I could spend all day here, but we gotta keep going. We gotta keep moving on if we're gonna get that geocoin. There's also a virtual in this area called the octopus tree, and it's exactly what you think. I have the octopus tree behind me, and it is a really unique tree. It is a mystery how it came to be this way, but this thing is almost 300 years old, and it's really cool, and it's a virtual. It's a virtual geocache. Smiley! Another pretty spot for a geocache. Wow. There's just a random little rocking chair right here overlooking the beautiful Pacific Ocean. This chair is just waiting. It's just waiting for me to sit in it and relax and meditate and think about happiness, think about being happy. You know, I'm just sitting here and I'm trying to just, you know, meditate and slow down. But all I can think about is geocaches and finishing this geotour. I don't have time to sit here. We gotta find some more. So this next geocache is at this enormous air museum. It is humongous. There's actually a plane over there that you can get into, but a geocache brought me here. We're at ground zero. Found it. Now let's go check out that plane. Well, you can actually go up inside of this airplane. I'm actually inside an airplane. This would be a really good spot for the geocache, but it is not here. But this air museum is huge. It is huge. Oh, water's coming. Today was a solid day of the first day of the Cache the Coast Geotour, and tomorrow I'm gonna do more, but till then I'm just gonna look at this.